In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the input function in Python. So you've already learned how to output information. That can be strings and obviously the results of calculations. And you've been taught how to store variables or store data inside variables. A variable being a block of data that you've given a label to, and Python does the rest for you. So to begin with, in this tutorial, I'm going to write an output. So print hello. Right, so pretty standard. What are we going to print alongside hello? Well, we haven't really decided yet, and we're going to give the user the choice to do that. So we're going to press enter. And just as the tutorial before, I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to write var. You don't have to write that. It's just I do it as good practice to say, look, this is a variable when I'm looking back at my code later. var name1. All right? And I'm going to type equals. And instead of actually writing, say, Kevin, like this, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to write input. So I'm going to use a built-in function, a BIF of Python, which is the input function. And this function is designed to handle anything coming from the user into the program. So why do we have why do we have brackets? We just do. But inside them we can put speech marks. I'm saying please enter your name. So that is an instruction to the user for how to work with this particular input. What's the input about? So we give them a little instruction. Now how it works is the input function gets called first, and whatever the user types in is passed into var underscore name1. So it's passed into it. So whatever they type in there gets stored inside that variable. The value of that variable becomes essentially what the user's typed in. If I put a comma after the word hello, and I type in var underscore name1, what we should have now is an interactive program. So I click run, and it asks for the name. I'm going to write Bob, and it should say hello Bob. If I run that again, now I'm going to write Kevin. Hello Kevin. Right, run again. Stuart. Press enter, and I get hello Stuart. Run one more time just to prove the point. I write Dave. Where am I getting these names from, I wonder? Press enter. Hello Dave. So what it's doing, again, I'm declaring the name of the variable, and that is based on whatever the user inputs here. And then I output some string information, which is hello, followed by a comma, followed by that variable. And if I call that variable inside a print function, I'm going to get whatever value stored inside it, which obviously has already been entered by the user because line 1 gets executed before line 3. And these are always done in order of sequence. I'm just going to show you a little thing now quickly. I'm just going to press Control X here. I'm going to cut this for a second, and I'm just going to show you what happens if you don't declare the variable first. Exactly the same way you spelled it, with uppercase and lowercase letters exactly the same place. Okay. When you've done that now, I want you to actually comment your code in order to make sure that you clearly understand what's going on. And every time you do write things out, I want you to comment your code. Okay. We're now going to move on to making this a little bit more complex. So after var underscore name1, I'm going to make another variable, because you can make as many variables in a program as you want, as I showed you in the previous tutorial. var underscore name2 equals input. What is your friend's name? So I'm asking now what their friend's name. And I'm going to build this sentence up a little bit more. So I'm going to write hello underscore var name1. Where is, I'm going to put a comma after those speech marks. Var underscore name 2. Comma, speech marks, question mark. So anything with speech marks there is just a string. It's just delivered to the user as text. And then obviously we're calling these two variables after the user has decided what they're going to be called. So run. Please enter your name. Bob. Kevin. Hello, Bob. Where is Kevin? Okay. Now I'm going to make it a little bit more interesting, and this is where you can start telling stories with Python, and that's going to be the aim of this particular set of tutorials. So var name to underscore location equals input Okay, so here we go. Let's run this. Please enter your name. Bob. Kevin. Hello, Bob. Where